In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Gmail to N8N. So just follow my steps. The first thing you should do inside N8N, you want to add the first step over here, click on the plus icon, and then you want to search for Gmail. When you find Gmail, click on it, and then from here you can either add a trigger or you can add some actions. So over here you can just select the action you need. So for this one, we're just going to do a random one. For example, get a message. Now, you can click, as I said, on any of these. The process from here on is exactly the same. Click on that, and from here you first have to create a credential. Now, you want to click over here and click Create New Credential. However, this that you're seeing right now is not what you'll see because I already have this set up. Let me show you how to actually do it. Now, it's the same for all Google services, so it's going to be the same for Google Drive as well. And this is what you're going to see for the first time you're trying to set it up for Gmail. So you're going to see this, and there's going to be a bunch of things in here. So as you can see, there will be the option to connect using either OAuth 2 or the service account. So I would actually recommend if you use the OAuth 2 because it's just much easier. Then you have this OAuth redirect URL, and then you have the client ID and the client secret. Now, let me show you how to actually do this. Again, as I said, it's going to be exactly the same for Gmail over here. It's basically a service from Google, so it's going to be the same. You just basically have to, over here, select Gmail and then put in the information. For me, I've done that already, so I only have the sign-in option because it's already set up. So what you have to do first is you want to open up Docs. So it says Open Docs over here, and it will say as well over here if you're using Gmail. You want to click Open Docs. And then from here, what you want to do is scroll down to prerequisites where you can see create a Google Cloud. Now you want to click on here and create a Google Cloud account. Over here inside Google Cloud, this is what you're then going to see. And to connect Gmail to N8N, this is exactly what you're going to need. Now, to do this, what you want to do is you want to click on over here where it says My First Project, or if you have a project, basically it's going to say the name of the project. And then you want to click on New Project over here. You want to create a new project, give it a name. I'm just going to give it a name Gmail. And then the organization over here, you can just put it whatever you want. I'm just going to go ahead and not do anything over here. Then you want to click on Create. There we go. It's going to say Create Project Gmail. And then it's going to start spinning. And there we go. You can see it now says Gmail. You want to click on Select Project. Click on that. And then over here, you're now working in Gmail. As you can see, this is now going to be the connecting basically project. From here, top left, click on those three dots and then click on where it says APIs and Services. Hover over it and then click on OAuth Consent Screen. And then on here, in case you're doing this for the first time, there we go. You're going to have to click where it says Google Auth Platform Not Configured Yet. Click on Get Started. And over here, give the app some information. So this one, I'm just going to call it Gmail to N8N. There we go. And then user support email should always be your email that you're using and you're going to be signing in to Gmail with. After that, click on Next. You can do this as internal or external. You can read about both and then see which one suits for you. For me, it's going to be external. I'm going to do Next. And then you want to do the contact information, which should be, again, the exact same email you're trying to sign into Google with, to your Gmail. So I'm going to just type it in. There we go. Okay. Now from here, you want to click on Next. You want to agree and press Continue, and then press Create. Once this is creating, it's going to start spinning around. And then once the processing is done, there we go, you're going to see these two things. You want to click on Create OAuth Client. And then in here, you're going to have to basically put in your application type. Now, this should be web application over here. You can then just give it a name. So we're going to do Gmail to N8N yet again. This doesn't really matter. And then where it says authorized redirect URLs, you want to click on add URL. And in here, you want to paste this thing over here. So when you are inside Gmail, as I showed you earlier, you'll see this OAuth redirect URL. You want to just click to copy this, and then you want to paste it in here. And then you want to click Create. After you do this, you'll get some client ID information, press OK, and then you'll see over here you have your project, basically your API web application type. What you have to do is you want to simply click on Edit over here. Now, if that doesn't show your client secret like it does over here for me, you can just go out here and click on this download button. And as you can see, it's going to show you your client ID. you want to copy this and you want to paste this again inside Gmail over here. You're going to see the client ID option, paste this in, and then you want to copy the client secret as well. Don't share it with anyone, by the way. Paste it inside the client secret, and then after you've done this, click on sign in with Google. When you do this, you'll have to sign in with your Google account, click on that. And then over here, for me, access is right now blocked, and this is because I haven't completed the verification process. And what this basically means is that you actually haven't completed the verification that was sent to your email address. Now, when that happens, once you actually complete the verification, you can then just sign in. It will say success up here, and then you've successfully created your Gmail account and connected it with your N8N. So sign in with Google. There we go. I'm just going to show you with this. I'm going to select my email. And then you will have to basically approve everything over here. I already have. Press continue. And after you've done this, there we go. This is the message you want to get. Connection successful. And then account connected. And then, of course, you can just close this away and then do whatever you want to inside here. So that's pretty much it. That's how to connect Gmail to N8N. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.